Today we're going to do another quick tips and tricks videos on Sage CRM. In particular, this is on assignment icons for custom actions. This is a new feature enabled with Sage CRM 2018 R2, and it's a small quick win for those looking for this feature. I'm going to start by logging into Sage CRM. And I'm going to go to my calendar. And we're going to be focusing on an appointment. You notice the appointment has an icon to the left. These are based on actions. Currently, the icon is set to the meeting icon, which is 2 people. Let's go into the appointment for further details. Now this should look familiar. It has all the standard functionality you're used to. What I want to do is bring your attention to the action items on the left-hand side. These are the action items out of the box. These are the default actions you get when you install Sage CRM for the first time, and they may or may not apply to the way you use CRM and the way your business operates. An example where we see these action items change fairly quickly is the fax in and fax out, which may not apply to businesses, or SMS out. Now for this particular meeting, it looks like we're meeting with a prospect named Simon at booth 5. The location, TradeX, and we have some details here. Perhaps a sales agent spends a large amount of time at trade and convention shows, and management would like a quick icon to see if this sales rep is currently at an expo or in-house meetings. So they want to create a custom action to reflect expos. Let's show you how to do that. First, we're going to save this. In the top right-hand corner, we're going to go to Administration, Customization, Communication. Under Field Caption, look for the Action row. Don't click on it. Instead, click Selection under Field Type. Now, under Selection here, these are all our action items that we saw a second ago. If we click into one, e-marketing email, we'll notice that the change translation shows e-marketing email. Now, the translation means what your end user is going to see when they access Sage CRM. The code underneath is very similar to the translation, however, there's no dashes or spaces. Now let's add a new selection option by clicking in Add Translation. I'm going to type Expo Event, and the code is the same but without a space or a dash. And by adding this, I'm now going to have an additional drop-down item or action item called Expo Event. So when I create an appointment, I can select a phone out, a meeting, a to-do, or an Expo event. Now what we've done is we've created an additional action item, but the system doesn't know what image or icon to associate with, in this case, Expo Event. So let's provide that image. Now we need to go into the server where Sage CRM is installed and look up the installation file. Once we find the Sage CRM installation file, go inside the CRM folder, www.root, themes, image or IMG, ergonomic, com_action. So these are communication_action. And now you'll notice all the GIF files associated with action items. So what the system will be looking for when we select the Expo event is a corresponding expoevent.gif file, which we don't currently have. So what we need to do is create that file and place it in this directory so that when we select Expo event, it'll show the image. Now I have done a quick image on MS Paint. I'm going to drag my image off my desktop and insert it into this directory. One thing to note is the file size. The resolution is quite small at 40 by 40 as it is only a small icon. So now that we've inserted the Expo event icon, let's go back to Sage CRM and let's go to that appointment. All right, we'll meet with Simon. Let's change this from a meeting to the newly created action item of Expo event and click Save. Now you'll see the small image I created was just a star, and you could find an image that would closely resemble whatever business process you're trying to capture. As always, we recommend any testing or configuration to be done on a test system first. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or go to our website for more details.